Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Drive or the Forms app and signing in with the account that will collect responses. Tap the plus or new button to create a blank form. This immediately gives you a title field and description to set context. Once done, rename the form to something clear so respondents recognize it, and toggle the setting that requires sign-in if you need tracked responses. This matters for identity and data control before you add any questions. Now you add questions. Tap the plus icon and choose the type that fits your data: multiple choice for single answers, checkboxes for multiple selections, or file upload when you need documents. Make critical questions required and add brief help text to reduce confusion. To organize, insert sections so respondents move through pages. This improves completion. Use the Options menu to duplicate questions. Add response validation for formats like numbers or email, and shuffle choices when necessary to finish by previewing the form and completing a test submission so you catch errors in flow or validation. Make sure response settings match your needs. Allow editors to see summaries, let respondents edit after submit if needed, and customize the confirmation message. Then tap Send to share by link, email, or embed. Shorten the URL and confirm permissions so respondents can access it. If something goes wrong, check mobile connectivity, account access, storage for uploads, and form response limits to quickly resolve issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.